मेरा नाम चरणजीत सिंह है। मुझे कैंसर डिटेक्ट हुआ था और जो मेरा ट्रीटमेंट और सर्जरी हुई थी वो HCG हॉस्पिटल में हुई है। पूरा ट्रीटमेंट वहीं हुआ है और मैं बहुत अच्छा कंफर्ट फील कर रहा हूँ। आज की तारीख में बहुत अच्छा कॉपरेट रहा हॉस्पिटल का और मुझे आज की तारीख में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और बाकी का जो भी हॉस्पिटल के बारे में मेरी बेटियाँ जैस्मिन कौर बताएगी।
My name is Jasmine Kaur. My father has been detected with tongue cancer in October 2020. It was a very shocking news for all of us in the family and we were really very shattered. From that day only we have started searching for a good hospital जहाँ पर पापा का ट्रीटमेंट हम बहुत अच्छी तरीके से करवा सकें. For that reason we have asked our family doctor to suggest some good hospital जहाँ पापा का ट्रीटमेंट आगे फर्दर बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हो सके. तो हमारे फैमिली डॉक्टर ने हमें HCG हॉस्पिटल जयपुर के बारे में सजेस्ट किया एंड डॉक्टर अभिषेक पारिक के नंबर हमें प्रोवाइड किए. आफ्टर हैविंग वर्ड्स विद डॉक्टर अभिषेक वी थॉट ऑफ गोइंग टू जयपुर फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट. हम जयपुर गए. We were really very scared because उस टाइम पे कोरोना पीक पर था and it was spreading like anything. But after going to the hospital and watching everything there, we were quite confident that we'll be able to get through this. जितने भी कोरोना के protocols थे, they were following everything in a very serious manner. They were not taking it easy. Like everything was done in a very proper manner, from sanitization to cleanliness to hygiene, everything was proper. Then we have met Dr. Abhishek Parekh in person. उन्होंने हमें उस पूरे ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत पेशेंटली और बहुत डिटेल्ड मैनर में एक्सप्लेन किया. उन्होंने हमें सारा प्रोसीजर बताया दैट how the treatment will be done and how it will be cured. So after having words with Dr. Abhishek, we were quite confident that Papa will get well soon and he'll be cured of this disease. We have started with the treatment from the HCG Hospital Jaipur. From first chemo, after the first chemo, my dad felt a very significant improvement in his health. उन्हें बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ. Before that, he was not able to even eat anything. But after the first chemo, he could eat and we were very happy watching that. So confidence और बढ़ गया. दिसंबर में पापा की सर्जरी हुई and it was done by Dr. Abhishek and his whole team and I'm very very thankful to them because procedure बहुत ही smoothly गया. It was a very smooth procedure. We were very very scared. सर्जरी से पहले हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा scared थे, बहुत डरे हुए थे. But everyone there was so nice. They have not just been the doctors or the managers there. They were there for us emotionally as well. सब लोगों ने हमें बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इमोशनल सपोर्ट भी प्रोवाइड किया, which was I think very important at that moment. सर्जरी होने के बाद पापा में हमें चेंजेस दिखाई दिए. he was improving. सर्जरी के 1-1.5 महीने बाद रेडिएशन started. It was also a very smooth procedure and it was done by Dr. Manish Shomal. So उनके chemotherapy हुई, that was also done in between and that was also done by Dr. Ankit. So it was a very nice experience there because whole team was very much qualified in doing whatever they were doing. So it was very good experience. It was quite smooth procedure. Not just the doctors, also the management staff was very good. They were very nice to us. They were very cooperative. Special mention to Mr. Joginder and Mr. Arif who has cooperated us very well in all that time. And a very special thanks to Dr. Abhishek Parekh, because he has been there for us emotionally, and the whole procedure went quite well. Papa started recovering, and now also in this recovery period, whenever we get any kind of complications, we can easily contact Dr. Abhishek, Dr. Manish Shomal, and they do revert us. So that's the best part. The timely HCG hospital conducts webinars, and in those webinars it is also explained that how a patient can take care of themselves in this corona period. So that's the best part. They keep updating us with everything, and also if patient is facing any kind of complication, he can directly ask it there in the webinar also. So all the queries are solved. It's very easy to reach the doctors. It's very important कि doctors का इतना support रहे इस पूरी journey में, because it's not a small disease. It's a very big thing. One thing which I think has played a very important role in my dad's recovery was that he didn't deny for the treatment. It is very important. जब भी आपको कैंसर डिटेक्ट होता है, किसी को भी कैंसर डिटेक्ट होता है, first thing that comes in the mind is whether I should go for the treatment or not, because I know it's a very hard treatment. We have all gone through it. हम लोग इससे गुजर चुके हैं, but it is worth it. You are giving a new life to your family member, so it is very important. तो हमारी जो पापा की हेल्थ है, उनका इम्प्रूव होने का सबसे बड़ा रीज़न यही रहा है that just after the biopsy was done और हमें पता लगा that उन्हें कैंसर है, we have not wasted time, and within 1 or 2 days after all the research, we have went to HCG hospital and had words with the doctors and started the treatment in the October itself. October में ही डिटेक्ट हुआ था और October में ही हम लोगों ने ट्रीटमेंट शुरू करवा दिया, and now is quite well. कैंसर का ट्रीटमेंट करवाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. वी कांट एस्केप ऑफ इट, बिकॉज द टाइम वी डिले, जितना टाइम हम लोग डिले करते हैं एस्केप करने में, उतना ही ज़्यादा वो अंदर बढ़ता जाता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अ पेशेंट टू बी क्योर्ड कि उनका ट्रीटमेंट एक प्रॉपर अच्छी जगह से हो, लाइक HCG हॉस्पिटल. उन्हें बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर्स मिले, like the doctors at HCG hospital. It is very important for them. So I think I have full trust and on the HCG hospital and its doctors, and I think that all the patients who are scared should go for the treatment. I don't think that उन्हें delay करना चाहिए किसी भी तरीके से. They should find the good hospital, they should find the good doctors, and definitely it's a curable disease. कैंसर कैन बी क्योर्ड, इसे क्योर किया जा सकता है, बट यू नीड अ वेरी परफेक्ट डायरेक्शन. एक अच्छा डायरेक्शन, एक सही डायरेक्शन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो बाय द गॉड्स ग्रेस वी हैव गॉट अ वेरी गुड डायरेक्शन, एंड थैंक्स टू द HCG हॉस्पिटल, इट्स होल टीम, इट्स डॉक्टर्स, its management, and everyone out there in the HCG hospital for cooperating us so well and giving my father a new life. Thank you so much.